Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're still at the One Park Place, beautiful high rise in downtown Houston in the Discovery Green area. We're about to do a part two. We're actually going to walk into the bedroom. So, this is what the bedroom looks like. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. It's captivating and it just has a beautiful feel in here. Very, very nice. And this is a very large space. That's a king bed, and there's a lot of additional space. You can see it. It feels like a home in here. It really, really does. Um, we're gonna walk into the bathroom. The bathroom is, oh, I love these colors in here. I love kind of this. It's almost like a sandstone, wood. Sorry, tile down there. And then look at just the intricate little designs here. I love the different lights. I love this countertop. Oh, wow. This is really cool. And then, of course, I love this. The shower. It's amazing. It's really cute. It's different. I guess what I'm saying is I like the different feel here. It's nice, and I see a lot of beautiful high rises, and but this is a bit different, and I like the difference. Here is the closet. The closet is delightful. It's very big. It's a walk-in, and man, you really walk in. I mean, like I'm still walking in it. There's a lot of space, so you're gonna have plenty of storage, and just a delightful apartment that's going to be more like a home. So tell me what you think about this. Does this have your name on it? Are you ready to get a little bit more information about this? Send me a text. My number's below. I'm super easy to talk with, and I keep my clients' information very private. So send me a text. I can't wait to hear from you about the One Park Place, and we'll chat and just have a good conversation to start with.